In this very short mini graphics display calculator lesson, I'm going to show you how I can take this example you see on your screen right now, one that we did in a previous lesson, and solve it in under a minute using your graphics display calculator, with the proviso that if you can't do it manually, then being able to do it on your graphics display calculator might get you one mark out of 4 on the exam. And if you can't do it manually, then your capacity to understand what you're looking at is significantly diminished. So 200 secondary students were surveyed. 72 students were in favour of banning energy drinks. 90% confidence interval is what we're looking for here. If you don't know what a confidence interval is, the rest of this video won't make sense. Go watch the video. Into our calculator we go. Menu. We must go to statistics this time. Probability doesn't have it. And lo and behold, option number 6, dun, 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 we have confidence intervals. Hooray. Dun, 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 dun. There's lots of different ways of getting a confidence interval. So the one we are interested in, only use this one, is 1 prop Z interval. Why that one? Good question. If anyone can tell me, let me know. But this is definitely the one to use. So option 5, it says, how many successes did you have? So that would be how many matches to the attribute we're looking for. In this case was students who voted that energy drink should be banned. How big was the sample proportion? N, that's 200. What C level do you want? That's confidence level. We wanted a 90% confidence level, so that's 0.9. Press enter, and we are done. C lower. That's the lower boundary of the confidence interval, 0.30417, blah, blah, blah. C upper, that's the upper bound of the confidence interval, 0.41582, blah, 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 blah. And so our values are bracket 0.3042, comma 0.4158, close bracket, or turn them into percentages. It even gives you your p-hat value, 0.36. The ME is your margin of error, 0.0558, blah, blah, blah. And of course, our sample size N is 200. So it gives you all to you in a nice long list. And just to confirm, if we go back to our answer here that we worked out, it is indeed 30.42% and 41.58% at a 90% confidence interval. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? And of course, we can go through it and very quickly calculate multiple confidence intervals. So if I go for the same values as well, and say, well, I want to know the confidence interval at, say, 95% instead of 90%, press OK. We can see the confidence interval now is a lot wider, which is what you'd expect. So 29.35% to 42.65%. So it's a wider interval, which demonstrates I need a wider interval to ensure that my 95% confident, I can be 95% confident that the actual population parameter is between these two values. That's why we do it. The margin of error is bigger. It's now 6.7%. So we can very, very quickly work out these values. And that will do for this video today.